Hey guys, welcome back. You already know apps like TikTok and Instagram are constantly trying to track your activity. But here's what most people never realize. Their phone already has a hidden gateway that allows websites to request access to your camera, your microphone, and even your exact location. And once those permissions are enabled, you may never notice who's watching in the background. If you use your phone for work, business, or personal data, this is something you cannot afford to ignore. Because today, I'm going to show you how to shut those doors completely, step by step, directly inside your browser and your Android settings. Let's secure your device. First, we're going to cut the connection between websites and your hardware. Open Google Chrome. Tap the three dots and go into Settings. Now scroll down and open Site Settings. This is one of the most important privacy sections on your phone. Here, you'll see three dangerous permissions: location, camera, microphone. If these are left on default settings, websites can constantly request access, and many people approve them without thinking twice. Tap each permission one by one. Change them to block or ask first. This forces every website to request permission before accessing anything on your device. No silent access, no hidden activation in the background, no website gets control without your approval. Now your browser is far more secure. But we're not done yet. Next, we lock down your apps. Open the main settings on your phone. Use the search bar and type permission. Then tap Permission Manager or Apps Permissions on some old phones. This section shows every sensitive permission connected to your phone. Start with Microphone. Carefully check which apps actually need access. Your camera app may need it for video recording. Your messaging app may need it for voice notes. But a random game, flashlight app, or utility tool has absolutely no reason to use your microphone. Disable those permissions immediately. Now, repeat the same process for camera and location. Only allow access for apps that genuinely require it to function. And for apps like messaging, banking, or document scanning, switch permissions to ask every time whenever possible. That means nothing activates without your direct approval. What you just did may look simple, but it is one of the most powerful privacy changes most people never touch. You removed unnecessary background access, you reduced hidden tracking, and you turned your phone from an open door into something you actually control. That's it. Thanks for watching.